TJ Kalen here with Kalen's Crafting Studio, and in this video I'm going to do a quick review on this origami folding multi-purpose desk. So stay tuned, because here we go. So welcome to my craft room. This is my little Kalen's Crafting Studio. And I'm very fortunate because I do have an extra bedroom in my home that I've sort of set up as my little zen space, and it slowly over time has become my craft room. It started out as a home office, and now I do all my crafting in here as well as office work. But and when I work from home, I work in here as well. So I needed some extra desk space. Sometimes when I'm sewing and I just recently started quilting, I just didn't have enough space only over here on my desk. And eventually I want to get one of the original scrap box pieces of furniture that I want to put on that wall, but I'm saving my pennies for that. So I wanted something that I could easily bring out and put away when I don't need it, because obviously I don't want this in the middle of my room all the time. And turquoise, really? Where would you get turquoise furniture? And when I saw this, I about died, because I was like, oh my gosh, it's going to match my room perfect. It does come in other colors. It has black, I believe silver, and bronze. There might even be a white, I'm not sure, I don't think there is, but anyway, I got it on HSN and I paid about $130 for it. So I think it was $120 plus the shipping. Well, then after I ordered it and it was already on its way, I looked just for the heck of it on Amazon, and I found it on there for $100 on Prime with no shipping. So, or if you're a Prime member, your shipping is added in. Plus, you get it in 2 days, and this took like almost 2 weeks for me to get it from HSN. So, I'll put the link below to the Amazon location if you're interested in it. And I would strongly suggest getting it there. You'll have it in 2 days if you have Amazon Prime. So, you can see that the maker fits on here. That's about the width of it, so that fits on perfect. My sewing machine will be awesome on it. And I'm just going to show you, it comes totally assembled in a box, and all you have to do is open it, fold it, and put the lid on it. So I have it facing me. As you can see down in the bottom, there's some storage. There's a cutout in there, so your chair fits in here nice. It's at a good height. You know, my chair is adjustable, but I have not adjusted it the same as my desk. It's just a little bit taller than my regular desk, so I think the height of it is perfect. And it goes under the bed to get rid of it. I can just store it right underneath my bed. So I'm so excited about this table. And there's two little things I'll show you in a second. You just pop each one of them to get the lid off. And that's it. This is the lid. So, oops. On this side of it, you'll see there's these two things here, and they're just, it's a little toggle. And I'll turn it around when I want to put it back in to show you how that goes. And then this kind of hooks on the back. So this weighs approximately, I would say, about 25 pounds. It's not super heavy. I'm certainly not a strong person, but I have no trouble at all picking that up and moving that around. On the front here, there's just a little toggle that comes up and down like that. And that's it. That's the two pieces. So you can see, I'll put it over here together, how easily that would slide underneath the bed, or perhaps in a closet, or wherever maybe even behind a door if you wanted to put it behind a door somewhere. So I'll set it up again one more time just to show you how, and I'll do it this way so you can see when I put it in the other way. And there's stickers that tell you what is the back and what is the front. So again, you just clamp on that little clamp. It clamps down like that, really easy. Okay, and this time I'm gonna put this to the back. So you just sort of hook that on the back there like that. There you go, and it just clamps in. Just making sure it's down, and you push. Let me come around so I can make sure it's aligned right. Have it totally aligned right. Oh, it's got to come down a little bit this way. There we go. Yep. And that goes in, and you just push the little button, this side comes down and you push that. And that's it. Super easy, and it's, like I said, it's pretty lightweight. I mean, you wouldn't want to carry it for a long period of time, and it's very sturdy. It's made really well. The legs are super strong. I'm just going to flip it around because I will be using it this way. Yeah, I really like it. I'm very pleased. So I just thought I would share because I think it's a nice little portable option, and you folks out there might like it too. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my page if you're not subscribed already, and don't forget to hit the little bell notification so you know when I post new content. Everybody have a great day. See you next time.